What's going on, team? So again, wanted to do a very quick video for you guys. Let me close this out and let's get logged in. All right, give me 1 second. 3, 2, 1. Boom, there we go. So got logged in, telling me to take a nap. No time for that right now. I wanted to kind of recap my day. Wanted to do it a little bit different. So all together on the day, just so you guys could see exactly what happened. Closed a little bit over $1,300, literally $1,379. 746 of that was on ticker symbol UGAS, and 554 of that was on ticker symbol DGAS. And I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly what it is that I did. So one thing that we talked about in our morning live stream with the Learn Plan Profit group is the understanding that like DGAS had an amazing push up. So based off of, if you tuned in for our Sunday stock talk, you guys would have been aware that natural gas had a huge sell off, and because natural gas sells off, that means that DGAS pushes up. But one of the things that we've talked about is, although it did push up, a great amount, is there any more margin left? One thing that I saw that was very attractive from ticker symbol DGAS was that it was still trading in between the middle and top view up. So there's no special like strategy or anything like that I was using today. I was really just trying to focus off of the middle and top view up, trade DGAS off of that. Every time that then DGAS became overextended, I would move on over to ticker symbol UGAS. And although this is a descending pattern and there's a huge form of risk trading descending patterns, what I would do is every time that it would sell off and I would see that DGAS, which is the inverse ETF, become overextended, I would buy the dip and then average up and then sell. And then it would do the same exact thing again. When UGAS pushed up all the way up to 33.80, I did not partake in that, but I saw that then natural gas became super overbought. So then guess what I did? I bought the reversal of DGAS here and then sold right at the middle VWAP. And then I saw that, it continued to push up. I did not take part of that. Again, I was very conservative. I ended up selling right around the middle VWAP area. And then I saw again that it became super overbought. And again, whatever goes up must come down. It became super overextended. You could see that with the RSI right here. You could see that with the MACD right there. So then guess what I did? I went on over to ticker symbol, UGAS, bought the dip and sold the reversal. And then that's where I made my last like $250 profit. So that is really just it. Nothing crazy. Everything was really simple. Trading and focusing on buying the lows, selling the highs. And then once it became later throughout the day, I became more selective. So like after I hit $1,000, I stayed away for a little bit. And then I saw that, UGAS pushed up huge, right? So then I saw the opportunity cost to be worth it on DGAS because I saw that it was extremely oversold and it made sense on why it could push up. So that was my main focus for the day, is after I exceeded my daily goal to only focus on the trades that are actually worth it. And I simply stepped away, and then I got all the alerts that first DGAS became super overbought and then UGAS became super overbought. So then I took advantage of those two opportunities because I was going to stop trading at $800, and then those two played out and I made about $250 on each one of those trades around that for those huge, I didn't take part of the huge push up, but then when it became super overbought, I took part of the reversal and stuff like that. So I personally, let me turn this around, had a lot of fun trading today. $1,300 is more than enough. It's me exceeding my daily goal. For all those that have seen me trade for quite a while, you guys know that my daily goal is around $500 to $750 every day when it comes down to trading. And just so blessed, so thankful. I'm already pretty much $1,200 away from my weekly goal. So that means that I could become a little bit more selective with my trades for the remainder of the week and solely focus on good quality trades. So if I don't see anything play out the way that I want it to tomorrow, then I'll just wait. And that's the beautiful thing about this, is like when the opportunity presents itself, great, you can identify it and take action. But when it doesn't, just like we talked about in today's video, then we simply can step back and let it kind of just set our alerts and let the day play out the way that it does, and you can catch up on other work and stuff like that. So I had a lot of fun. Again, if you guys want the ability to watch me trade live every single day and work with me on a closer basis, even if you're an absolute beginner, dedicate 5 minutes, click that first link in the description and learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group. They get to watch me trade live every single day, and they're the only group that gets to work with me on a closer basis. The second link in the description is our free Facebook group. We have over 194,000 members. We're the largest free Facebook group out there for those who invest in the stock market, and we would love to stay connected. So I hope I earned your thumbs up. I hope you guys killed it today. Be selective, be conservative, lock in those profits, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.